Our next caller is a senior. He's an all-league linebacker. He is also an Eagle Scout. He plans to matriculate at Santa Rosa Junior College in the fall, where he will continue to pursue his career in football and ornithology. Mr. Kenneth Moss.
All right, Kenneth.
Good evening. Ever since my days as a youngster watching Donald and Daffy, I've been interested in ducks. At first, my interest was casual, but as I grew older, I became obsessed with the study of ducks. My intellectual curiosity has carried me across the continental U.S. However, one duck has eluded me, Somateria mellissima, better known as the common eider. I feel a certain closeness to this particular duck. He sports a thick neck, has large drumsticks, flies sluggishly, and in contrast to his black belly, his back is strikingly white. Immediately following graduation, I am planning to travel to Alaska, where the eider is primarily found, and perhaps we can converse to each other as follows. Thank you.